3, 2, 1.
Hi, my name is Peter Startz. I am a professor of engineering here at Taylor University. I came out of industry and I was looking for a place where I could invest in students and in their spiritual growth. There are a lot of cool things that we've done here. I mean, the one that we're working on right now with a lot of students is a robot for orbital construction, which is really cool. It's fun. And they are manufacturing their parts. So they go through the whole design process. They start at the very beginning, they design, and then they manufacture and test.
Hi, my name is Alex Roth. I'm an engineering professor here at Taylor University. Between AI and other innovative technologies, so we put a lot of effort and resources into new additive manufacturing technologies and making sure that our students are exposed to those things that are the state of the art, new things that are coming up. So that when they are interviewing, when they're kind of getting these jobs out there, they're able to say, yeah, I have some experience in that. I understand how I can design for this new technology or design with it in the case of AI, right? That will lead to flourishing for themselves and their company.
I think a student of ours that goes into next generation manufacturing is going to encounter an environment where their designs being manufactured on computer-controlled machines, CNC machines, a variety of automation techniques involved in those machines. So for example, robotic arms, conveyors, all these other things, so that the whole machining process becomes very, very automated. And they're focused on making things that can really move through that whole system or be compatible with that whole system.
Hi, my name is Danielle Nobles-Lookingbill, and I'm the Department Chair of Physics and Engineering here at Taylor University. It has been tremendous. The partnership with Don Wood Foundation has launched our program to next gen engineering, actually. We have CNC equipment that is top of the line. Our students in their capstone project. In addition to that, being able to actually do that hands-on work means that our students, when they graduate from here with an engineering degree and they're in the field, that they understand how they're designing for manufacturing and machining, where if you don't have access to this equipment, you might think that you can design whatever looks good.
I certainly want to say thank you to the Don Wood Foundation and just what they've done to really serve our students, right? And to enable us to do that kind of as the boots on the ground. And say thanks to we have a really great team here, all the way from the support staff and my fellow faculty members. Certainly, I couldn't do what I do without that, and our students benefit.
The fact that the Don Wood Foundation has really invested in this shop is incredible, and it's so empowering for the students. When a student goes to use a manual machine, they haven't had that much time to practice, and their ability to make high precision, high performance parts, it's very, very limited. They can make incredibly precise and good quality parts using these machines. And so the products they get are better, the testing that we do is better. It's world-changing for the sort of things that we're trying to do.
The partnership has been tremendous. There's not a way I see that we would have been able to launch this quickly into this next gen engineering. Our students are well prepared. Faculty are amazing, and our students are even better. So we're just doing very great things with the generosity of the foundation. We're excited to get our students out there, and industry partners really love our students too.